So, today I am going to practice my English on Capilot. It's day 1 and let's see how my English will improve within 30 days. So, it's day 1. Let me practice my English because my English is not very good. I have to prepare for many interview because I decided to move my career. Sorry, I decided to switch my career. So, let's begin.
Absolutely. Let's dive right in. Day one of practicing English for those interviews sounds like a great plan. We'll just chat and get you comfortable. So tell me, what kind of career are you switching into?
Currently, I am applying for Amazon VCS interview.
Ah, fantastic. Getting ready for an Amazon BCS interview is a great goal. They've got their own style and expectations, so we can definitely work on your responses or just practice some conversational fluency. Where do you feel like you want to start?
So I want to start from my introduction.
Absolutely. Let's get your introduction polished up. We can keep it simple and confident. So go ahead, just introduce yourself as if I'm your interviewer, and we'll take it from there.
देखिए फिर लास्ट में मैं इनसे अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन की रेटिंग भी पूछ सकती हूँ फिर ये मुझे अपनी रेटिंग भी बताएंगे तो चलिए मैं इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ माय नेम इज़ अंजलि I have done computer science from Delhi University. After that, I dedicated my whole time for preparing examination such as SSC, banking, etc. So, can you please rate my introduction?
Absolutely, you're doing well already. I'd say your introduction has a solid foundation. It's clear and it covers your background nicely. With a bit of polish on transitions and a little more detail about your skills, you'll be interview ready in no time. So let's keep practicing and we can refine it from here.
सो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों तो इस तरीके से मैं डेली इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ अपने इंटरव्यू के लिए रेडी होने के लिए तो आप भी लग जाओ अपनी प्रैक्टिस में और अगर मेरी ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और मैं भी आपके साथ इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरी भी इंग्लिश कुछ खास अच्छी नहीं है सो लेट्स प्रैक्टिस मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर एवरीवन